Streamplify sent me their webcam, so we're gonna unpack it and take a look at it. Okay. We got a manual, protective plastic, camera itself, and a box in the box. That's it. As it says on the box, this camera is 60 FPS, has autofocus, a 90-degree view, and is 1080p. It says includes tripod, so I think that is the box in the box. Yes, it's a little tripod. Okay, let's get the plastic off the camera so we can actually slide this to close it. If you're concerned about your privacy, something you like to do. Attachment point for your screen, for your monitor. And obviously at the bottom, there's a screw for tripods. I got this. USB, pretty long cable. It's longer than my arm length, so let's jump into the shelf where I actually test this on the PC. This is how the webcam looks, with just natural light. So there's only a window on that side and I don't have any lights set up right now. So thanks again Streamplify for sending me this webcam.